Hi everyone, today we're going to take a look at a system I've been using to add an element of fun and randomness to shunting. I use this random number generator app on my phone. You can tell it no repeats and the maximum number to use. You could use a dice or any other method of random number generation, or indeed you could make two sets of numbers and shuffle one set and place the others on the wagons. So in this case we require a train of 10 wagons in length because it will fit into siding 2. We have 30 wagons to choose from, so I set the app up to select from 1 to 30 with no repeats. Once this is done, we can press the start button to get our first number. In this case it's number 27. Each of the wagons has been given a paper number, as you can see. Usually I use very small numbers, but I've made them bigger for the video. I also shuffle the paper numbers and apply them randomly to the wagons, which can be anywhere on the layout. I've made this handy record sheet printed out to avoid any confusion. As you can see, it has space to show how many wagons you have in the game, the total number you want to select, in this case 10, and the space to show the loco involved. Then we have a table where you can fill in the results of the random number generator. Position 1 is right behind the loco. The assigned number is the random number chosen by the app, and of course the wagon description is obvious. We now have another train of wagons arrive, ready to take part in this shunting puzzle. Let's fill in the first wagon. It was number 27, so our Peckett must now go and find wagon 27. And in this case it's a sheep bridge hopper. I'll quickly choose the next wagons and I'll stop talking and get the Peckett busy with this task. Our loco will now set about what is known as digging out, where the first priority is to bring together all the required wagons in one place before marshalling them into the order required. Do this in phases. This is phase 1, and as you can see there are 3 wagons within this phase. I mark down each phase on the sheet, as can be seen. The wagons not required are shunted back to the reception road for now. Next, the loco obtains the coal light wagon from near the rear of the train on the reception road. Again, the unrequired wagons are returned to the reception road train. Now our loco moves the selected wagons into siding 2, as we now need to go to the bottom of siding number 1 to obtain the other wagons required. Phase 2 is now well underway. The third and final phase of digging out begins. Digging out is now finished, and our loco must pay attention to the order in which each wagon must be marshalled. Now the video is getting rather long, so let's have a little bit of turbo Peckett to speed things along. And so finally, everything is in the correct order. I hope you enjoyed that little shunting puzzle. It shows you just how much shunting fun you can have and how long it can take, depending on how randomised things are.